So we have to cut the strawberries.
Okay, put them right there. So. Oh, I cut them. Now you need to cut this part.
Okay, let's go. Take the stems. Alexis.
Look, I did it again.
Good job, yeah.
Let's put them this right there.
Okay.
This. Okay, let me just put this like. The stand is in the gold there. This is good.
Perfect.
So this goes right there.
Mm-hmm.
Now we need this. No, not this big one. This one, because this is.
This is where you put them?
These ones?
Inside it. Yeah, put them on inside. Just make sure it doesn't have the...
It's like pizza. Okay, now this goes.
Okay, that's it. That's enough. You want to eat some?
Yeah, no, thank you.
Oh.
Crack that. How are you going to crack that?
You can mix it, okay?
Oh, yeah, you can mix it now?
Wait, let me add everything in there.
Now I can mix it.
Uh-huh.
I'm mixing it, Mommy. Look. Oh, I forgot that. Let's go do this. Now I can quit.
Yeah, you can gentle. Just be gentle and mix it.
Water. It's water.
It's oil.
It's oil. There's water. Now I taste it. This dipped it in it.
All right, let's save it.
I'm gonna do it again.
Okay. No, it's raw. Go ahead.
I'm not gonna mix it.
Okay, go ahead. Just make sure it all goes up. Thank you.
Now we can.
The other way. Okay, we got it. Thank you. Okay, now mix it.
This cake.
Cookies. Good job.
Now I'm gonna taste the red one.
They're good. Now, can you put those in fine?
Sure. Let's this.
Wow, yum.
Oh my god.
Now mix it.
Have one.
Okay, mix. Good girl.
That was like a big cookie. Like a big cookie.
Yep.
Like a big cookie. Got it. You are.
Let me help you.
You think I didn't know how to go in there in the.
Let's go put them in the oven.
Yummy. Dad.